So we want to change the format of the numbers. So if they're positive, we just got the number. If they're negative, we just got brackets around them and not minus sign. So any cell you want to have that format, I'm just going to pick a random group of cells here and pick all of those cells there. So I want them to show the negative numbers of bracket. So on the mouse pad or on your mouse, you do the right button, click on Format Cells. You go down to Custom, and you go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth one down. Right, after the 0 and before the semicolon, you put a space. So the semicolon stays there. Then after the minus sign, you delete, and you put the opening bracket. At the end, after the 0, you put the closing bracket. Now this is if you want it to like whole numbers and not decimals. So if you want decimals, I'll show you another one of them later if you ask. And if I click OK now, any number in that array of cells now that's negative with brackets around it. So I'm going to pick one there. I'll say negative 578. That'll be 578 in brackets. I'll pick another one down here, for example, minus 384. You have brackets 384. So I hope that helps. Thank you.